Mastering everyday English. Cover your bases. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in both professional and casual settings. Cover your bases. This expression is a fantastic example of how English often borrows from specific contexts to create phrases with broader meanings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, cover your bases, originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a team must ensure that all bases are defended to prevent the opposing team from scoring runs. This strategy involves a careful distribution of players across the field to cover all potential plays. The metaphorical use of this phrase has spread far beyond the ballpark, embodying the idea of being thoroughly prepared or protected in various situations. When someone says to cover your bases, they're advising you to anticipate and prepare for all possible challenges or opportunities. It's about ensuring that no part of a plan or task is left vulnerable or unattended. This might involve double-checking work, confirming details with others, or having backup plans in place. It's particularly useful advice in project management, event planning, and any scenario where oversight can lead to complications. To illustrate, let's look at a few examples. In a work context, before submitting the annual report, make sure you cover your bases by reviewing all the financial data and getting feedback from each department head. In personal planning, if you're organizing a picnic, cover your bases by checking the weather forecast, confirming who will bring what, and preparing for any dietary restrictions. In academic settings, when writing your thesis, cover your bases by conducting thorough research, citing all your sources correctly, and seeking feedback from your advisor. Understanding and using the phrase, cover your bases, can significantly enhance your communication skills, making your English more nuanced and effective. It's a reminder of the importance of thoroughness and preparation in achieving success and avoiding unnecessary pitfalls. We hope this video has illuminated this useful expression for you, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.